see what a bad cap looks like on this tester here. We have an old Planet electrolytic cap from the 50s that came right of my DeVry scope that I'm in the middle of rehabilitating. So this is a 8 microfarad cap at 450 working volts. Let's see what that looks like. This is just one of the sections here, okay? Let's get in there, see what's up. Focus, baby. Obviously, she's gone up in value a bit. But let's just go straight. We'll go straight to, let's see here, 400 volts. This should be in the 3-digit range. Sorry about that, for a good cap. So we have some issues here. That's a ton of leakage current. Let's go up to 500 volts. This thing's actually good for 525 working volts rather. And here we go. Yeah, so there's obviously problems here. So this cap is leaky and causing issues. So bye-bye.